In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change opening balance in Xero, 5 minutes. Opening balances are the starting figures for your accounts on the date you began using Xero. Getting them right ensures your reports, bank reconciliations, and tax filings line up with your prior records. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and add a few tips to keep everything accurate. First, head to the Xero login page and click Login. Enter your login credentials and click Login again to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. If you manage more than one organization, make sure you're viewing the correct one before you continue. From the dashboard, open the accounting menu and select Account Settings. This takes you to the area where organization-level financial settings are managed. Here, choose Conversion Balances. Conversion balances represent your opening balances as at your conversion date, essentially the day you switch to Xero. Any changes you make should reflect what your accounts looked like on that date based on your prior system or your accountant's opening balance sheet. Next, locate the account you want to adjust and open it to edit. You'll see fields for debit and credit. Enter the amount on the correct side for that account type. As a simple guide, assets and expenses typically carry debit balances, while liabilities, equity, and income typically carry credit balances. If you're unsure, check your prior balance sheet or consult your advisor to confirm placement. For bank accounts, make sure the opening balance matches the closing balance from your old system on the conversion date and that it ties to your bank statements. Before saving, double check that your totals still balance. In accounting, debits must equal credits across all accounts. If they don't, you'll see differences flow into retained earnings or a similar equity account, which can skew your reports. Also, confirm the amounts are entered in the correct currency and reflect the exact conversion date. When everything looks right, click Save. Xero will update the opening balances accordingly. If you receive an error about a lock date or a period end, you may need to coordinate with whoever manages your financial year settings to temporarily allow changes, then save again. That's it. You logged in, navigated from the dashboard to accounting, opened account settings, went into conversion balances, edited the specific account's debit or credit, and saved your changes. Take a moment to run your balance sheet as at the conversion date to confirm everything now ties out. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.